SynthePulse fam, it is so good to see you. Now, if you're like me, your feed is probably flooded with gurus telling you to become a prompt engineer. They promise six-figure salaries just for knowing how to talk nicely to ChatGPT. Stop scrolling. Seriously, stop. Because I'm about to tell you why that entire career path is a major dead end. And I'm going to reveal the real AI job that's paying $200,000 and it requires absolutely zero coding. I'm talking about a job that is so crucial that without it, all the biggest generative AI models, Google, Anthropic, OpenAI, they would instantly fail and become toxic garbage. We need to talk about the AI trainer, or as they often call themselves internally, the reinforcement learning from human feedback specialist. This is the AI trainer job description that nobody is publishing glossy Instagram reels about. And that's exactly why you need to listen up. Look, I get the appeal of prompt engineering. It sounds cool, right? But here's the harsh reality. Prompt engineering is, by definition, low-level optimization. As AI models evolve, they get better at understanding ambiguity. They self-correct. They are literally being trained to be their own prompt engineers. That skill set is already being integrated into the AI tools themselves. It's a short-term hack, not a long-term career. So if you're not teaching the AI how to respond, who is? It's not the model developers anymore. It's the AI trainers. Imagine AI models as these incredibly massive, powerful, but totally wild beasts. They know how to speak, but they have zero manners, zero ethics, and zero filter. They'll say anything that statistically makes sense, whether it's true, toxic, or utterly ridiculous. The RLHF Specialist, the AI trainer, is the person who civilizes the beast. They sit in front of the model and present it with hundreds of tricky scenarios. The model generates 10 possible answers. The trainer's job? To rank them. This one is excellent, safe, and helpful. This one is technically accurate, but too aggressive. This one is flat out toxic. This qualitative judgment, the ability to say why one thing is better than another in a human context, is the most valuable data point in modern machine learning. It's teaching the AI human preference. It's literally teaching it morality and personality. Okay, so why are companies like Anthropic or Scare AI willing to drop serious bank, often between $150K and $250K, on someone who doesn't necessarily write Python? It comes down to two major factors: risk and nuance. First, risk mitigation. Poorly trained AI isn't just inefficient, it's a massive liability. Remember when models started recommending dangerous activities? That's a training failure. These trainers are responsible for the model's safety and alignment. They are the ethical bottleneck. You pay top dollar for the people who stop your billion-dollar product from causing a global PR disaster. Second, specialized nuance. The jobs that pay $200K aren't basic labeling tasks. They need people with established domain expertise. Are you a former lawyer? You can train legal AI. Are you a medical writer? You can train medical diagnostic AI. Are you an expert in medieval history? You can train AI to be a perfectly aligned historical guide. The machine learning team provides the code, but you, the AI trainer, provide the context and the authoritative judgment that makes the model commercially viable. Your humanity and expertise become the competitive advantage. This is where the career shift gets super exciting. If you're pivoting, focus on these three things. Forget the certifications. These are the skills hiring managers actually look for in an AI trainer job description. 1, impeccable communication, linguistic mastery. You need to be able to articulate why one response is 8 out of 10 and the other is 9 out of 10 and write a detailed paragraph explaining that difference. This requires linguistic precision and a high degree of written fluency. 2, emotional and cultural fluency. Can you spot sarcasm? Can you understand when a response, though technically correct, is culturally insensitive? AI can't do this yet. We are the bridge between cold logic and warm human interaction. And 3, intellectual curiosity and consistency. You must be interested in deep learning principles, though you don't have to code them, and apply your judgment consistently across thousands of data points. This is intellectual rigor, plain and simple. So how do you find these roles? First, change your search terms. Stop searching for prompt engineer. Start searching for RLHF, model alignment specialist, generative AI data curator, or linguist-AI. Major AI companies are hiding these jobs behind less flashy titles. Second, start building a portfolio of judgment. Take complex topics, say climate policy or abstract legal arguments, and ask 2 different AI models to argue opposing sides. Then write a detailed breakdown of which model was more effective and why. That portfolio of qualitative analysis is gold. Third, leverage your non-tech background. If you were a teacher, emphasize your ability to structure complex information and grade for quality. If you were in marketing, emphasize your ability to understand human intent and persuasion. Your seemingly unrelated past job is actually your superpower here. The narrative that AI is going to automate all white-collar work is partially true, but it misses the massive opportunity. AI automates low-level intelligence. It increases the demand for high-level human judgment. The AI trainer is the living proof that the most valuable job in the age of algorithms is not competing with the machine, but deeply, philosophically, and qualitatively collaborating with it. It's the highest leverage role you can have in AI right now. All right, SynthePulse fam, I'm genuinely excited about this path. Let me know in the comments. Do you have the critical thinking skills to be an AI trainer? What domain expertise would you bring to the table? Let's chat below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights that decode the logic of AI. See you next time. Bye.